Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to find liked post on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to be sure that we have the last version of Instagram. To check it we should visit App Store or Google Play Market and download the newest version of the Instagram. Then we need to open our Instagram app. Tap on profile icon and visit it. Then we should click on three lines at the right top corner. Here we need to find your activities and tap on it. In this menu we see a lot of options, but we need to find and tap on interactions. Next we should tap on likes. And overall here you can see posts that you have liked. Also you can sort them. Select from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. And also select start and end dates. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.